Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jim in Kentucky on the Galaxy DX98 VHP. Jim, got it ready to go for you, bud? Upgraded voltage regulator, my tuning alignment. Let's get right to it. You're going to be running this in the mobile, so we set it up accordingly. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. About 8 watts all the way down. 40 all the way up. You can run it all the way up if you want. It won't be a problem. Hello. 100 watt bird slug in the corner. Let's go to average here on 250 scale. Hello. So we're getting about 120 bird. Peak power. Hello. About 245 peak. Alright, Jim. It's ready for you to come pick her up. I appreciate it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com and also on the web at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.